Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create table relationship in LibreOffice Base. Now, first to get this done, I have two tables right here. And what I want to do is that if, say, for example, I make some changes in the English table, it's going to happen as well in students. So here's how am I going to do it. So I'm going to head over to Tools, Relationships. And then from here, let's go ahead and just try to make this a bit bigger. And then from here, basically what's going to happen is that I'm going to connect student ID from English to students. Now that I'm done with that, I can go ahead and double click this one and then I can see the relations here. So basically what I want to do is that from students in English to students in English student table, I'm going to update it. All right, just like so. Head over and hit OK, and then save this one, close this one. Now, here is a table so far. Now, I want to make changes, say, for example, to Kyle right here. If I'm going to update this to 12, click that over there. I'm going to go ahead and close this so that I can reopen that one here. You can see that now Kyle's ID has changed as well to match that one. So yeah, that's the relationship, and you can do more than that here in LibreOffice Base.